Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining Software and Apps Part 4. All right, so we're going to talk about graphic software. Create, view, manipulate, and print many types of digital images. Digital images are stored either as bitmaps, sometimes called raster, or vector format. Bitmap images are based on pixels. Vector graphics use mathematical formulas to define their appearance. The great thing about vector is that no matter how large you get, the picture is still going to stay true. So when you're dealing with a bitmap, the larger you get, the more pixels you can see in it. It doesn't expand well. Most clip art images are stored in vector graphics. Key features: use a mouse or stylus to draw on the screen using a crayon, pencil, paintbrush, or calligraphy pen. Use shapes tools to create lines, circles, rectangles, arrows, and callouts. Use color palettes to specify colors for shapes, lines, and borders. Add filters and effects to provide visual interest and adjust brightness and contrast. Add text to the graphics and crop or resize the image. Now here they're listing some of the different types of format that you can get a graphic image. Because I use a camera that's a digitalized camera, it comes in as raw, uncompressed, unprocessed data from a digital camera, usually used by professional photographers. That's not always true, but PNG works real well. All of these have a certain amount of compression built in, and it allows you to move or to work with a file that's a little bit larger than what you would normally use. But the one that most people are most familiar with is JPEG. JPEG and PNG files. Open compressed format that has replaced GIF in many cases. It supports images with transparent backgrounds, low resolution images, and that you can edit without losing quality. Great for use on web pages. PNGs are great for that. All right. So the types of apps that are out there are paint apps, which draw pictures, shapes, and other graphics for various on-screen tools. You have photo and image editing apps that provide the capabilities of painting apps and let you enhance and modify existing photo images. Video editing apps allow you to modify a clip and typically include audio editing capabilities. Drawing apps let you create simple two-dimensional images, typically vector graphics. That's the end of our little slideshow. I do appreciate you guys joining, and we'll see you when we get into Module 6.